Shenzhen Haoyuxin Electronics Co Limited, Powkey was established in 2012. It is a manufacturer of portable power stations and home energy storage systems, photovoltaic solar panels and car jump starters, etc. The company has its own R&D center, industrial design center, quality control center and production base. The factory covers an area of 32,000 square meters, from SMT injection molding battery packs to finished product production. We have nearly 200 skilled workers and an experienced team of engineers to ensure that innovative products and better services are provided to global customers at competitive prices. We have passed ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System certification. All products have passed CE, FCC, ETL, RoHS on 38.3 MSDS and other certifications. And the products are exported to more than 50 countries and regions including North America, Japan, Europe, Australia, Southeast Asia, etc. Powkey is good at discovering potential customer needs, and its product innovation has been recognized by the international consumer electronics field. It has deeply cultivated the new energy field and is committed to becoming a global energy storage leader brand, creating a sustainable low-carbon service and energy future and promoting the green, healthy and sustainable development of the energy storage industry. Our ultimate slogan is "Keep every corner of the world powered." Welcome to visit our factory and look forward to working with you.